I'll crave market value because inform Kumasi Asante Kotoko winger Peter Amidu Acquah when latest recent national team call up to the Ghana football national team under 20. Yes, young confirm David Ofe boabo team ano they are face a new tournament which is Wafu Zombie no. Na Wafu Zombie no na Kumasi Asante Kotoko player Peter Amidu Acquah mpanyifo afene se omra na ombeka sa team no ho se ne be beboa magana agesa Wafu Zombie tournament a ehya ase in no too long time eda yenimi na Peter Amidu Acquah over the few weeks ni the form na asori pam in Kotoko last friendly game our boy against Rainmasters omo mutimi ko he ne de munim de course ball pan boy nya asem ketwa amid reporter ne say German club for penedende but they now the decision of Krobia Sante Kotoko. So Sunday August 11 and I cast Omumra camp Ghana Man Soccer Center of Excellence Pram 31 players near from na goalkeepers Saidi Yakubu Siano FC Daniel Afo Emmanuel Vivo Dixon Boatin Asamoah Kofo Akpofe Maswell, Jan Robin, Amudu David, Ali Umar, central midfielder, right back, Yaya Razak, and a free Jerry, Exden Mohammed, Dennis Apia, Mustafa Abu, Moses Atta, Labron Majid, Ainchi, Da Costa, and a right wing, Peter Amidu Acquah, Asante Kotoko, Isaac Frimpong, Hasu Fuk, and a DM Dennis Marfo. So Peter Amidu Acquah has been invited to play as a right wing role for the senior or the under 20 national football team by Dennis Ofeneyomu coach. Mobekai no tournament course war Ghana under 20 the transition from no. Now left wing Kevin and Nkrumah, Mahmoud Mohsin, Abugiri Aduku, Jakub Bismarck Jr., Kagawa Mensah, Foster Agpeveto, young player, make Magason the youngest player of Ghana Premier League. Clinton Diodu Bechem United, Sabo Ipa Kotoko. Report ma Baso join Kotoko Chinasem. I say Robert Joe Collins Boa, Abeka Austin, Richard Obeng Hamza, Musa Isaac Bafo, and Senna Sidu, Ono Diana FC. So these are the players I invite you for the Black Satellite Camp selection for Ghana prepares towards Wafu Zombie.